How to draw in Evernote. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Evernote. Once you do that, click the Create New option. After that, from the Tools menu list at the bottom, click on the plus icon at the left. From these options right here, click on Sketch. Once you do that, you'll be able now to draw. So go ahead and do that. And feel free to use all of the different features and options that this page offers. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to draw in Evernote. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.